हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू योर ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल होम बाय रियलिटी। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे प्रीमियम लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में जिसका 4 BH के लेआउट देखने के बाद शायद आप नोएडा एक्सटेंशन के बाकी प्रोजेक्ट्स को कंपेयर करना ही बैंड कर दो। एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, सो मेक श्योर यू वॉच टिल द एंड बिकॉज टुडे वी आर नॉट ओनली डिस्कसिंग द प्रोजेक्ट, we are also showing you the actual site, project model, and the luxurious 2,585 square feet sample apartment. जो प्रॉपर्टी आप स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, this is ATS Destinaire, a premium luxury residential project in Greater Noida West. दोस्तों, आज के टाइम पर मार्केट में लग्जरी प्रोजेक्ट्स बहुत हैं, but the real question is, does every project actually offer luxury living, privacy, greenery, and a practical layout? The answer is mostly no. But ATS Destinaire is planned very differently. This premium project is spread across 8.24 acres of land, with only 14 towers and 736 units, which means you get a proper low-density luxury lifestyle instead of a crowded society feeling. And one of the biggest highlights, only 2 apartments and 2 lifts per floor in every tower, which means better privacy, less crowd, premium living experience, and a much more peaceful environment. Talking about configurations, यहाँ आपको मिलता है 1900 स्क्वायर फीट, 3 BHK plus servant and a very spacious 2585 स्क्वायर फीट 4 BHK plus servant apartment. और दोस्तों, एक बात मैं honestly बोलूं, the 2,585 square feet 4 BHK layout is probably one of the best layouts available in the entire Noida extension market. The room sizes, living area, balcony space, dining layout, and overall planning feel extremely premium and practical. जब आप sample apartment देखोगे, you will understand the difference instantly. Now let's talk about lifestyle and amenities, because luxury is not only about the apartment, the society experience matters equally. Here you get a massive 30,000 square feet grand clubhouse with an attached Olympic-sized swimming pool. Along with that, there is a basketball court, lawn tennis court, badminton court, cricket pitch, football and cricket box ground, open gym, amphitheater, kids play area and beautifully landscaped green zones. और अब बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट की biggest USP की, something which actually makes this project stand out. A 5-acre government-authorized Miyawaki forest. Yes, Dostin, this is not just a normal park. It is a dense Japanese forest concept, where around 50,000 trees have already been planted. The best part? This forest is developed and maintained by ATS itself, and residents will get 24/7 access to this green zone. In today's lifestyle, fresh air, greenery, and peaceful surroundings are becoming a luxury, and this feature adds tremendous long-term value to the project. Connectivity bhi काफी impressive है. Central Noida is just around 10 minutes away, while NH24 can be reached within 20 to 30 minutes. Schools, private hospitals, malls and shopping complexes, everything is available within 5 to 15 minutes distance. Now comes the most important part, pricing. The official pricing is around 16,000 rupees per square foot, but after available discounts and negotiations, the effective rate may come close to 14,000 rupees per square foot, which makes this opportunity even more attractive for luxury buyers. And the good part is, units are available in both Phase 1 and Phase 2. If you are planning early possession, Phase 1 is expected within around 6 months, while Phase 2 possession is expected in approximately 1 year. And when it comes to builder credibility, ATS hardly needs an introduction. The brand already has a strong reputation for construction quality, premium finishing, and timely delivery. So Dostin, if you are seriously looking for a premium luxury 3 BHK or a truly world-class 4 BHK apartment in Noida Extension, especially with one of the finest layouts in the market, then ATS Destinaire definitely deserves your attention. Now, without wasting any time, let's move ahead and explore the actual site, project model, and the luxurious sample apartment. Let's begin.